Dush, welcome to my channel. Before going to the today's topic, I just want to say one thing. Like lot many students having queries regarding how to enroll the courses in the Coursera and how to get free courses, how to enroll the top courses without paying any money. For that purpose, I have made a video. In the description, you can see that video, and also I have made another video. Best coding platforms for the beginners. So in the description I have given the link, so please watch the video so you will get some one idea. Next before uh, next uh, coming to the topic, today topic is like in 2022 the 5 best backend programming languages that every tech student should know. So this is because why? Because the backend programming is increasing like anything in the development of technology. So here in the below, I haven't given the 5 backend programming languages that every student should know. So coming to the before that, what is backend? First of all, what is backend? So backend is a development of reboot systems for web applications using languages and frameworks. Backend development is a web development activities that take place at the back end of the program. The activities cover server-side web development, logic and integration activities such as APIs, creating libraries, and working with the system components. Now, coming to the backend developers are responsible for building the codes using the programming languages that allow database and applications to communicate with one another. So here in the today's topic, in the today's video, I am going to announce the 5 best programming languages in 2022. So let's watch. Let's go. The first programming language is JavaScript. So JavaScript. So what is JavaScript and everything we are going to see in this video. First, JavaScript. JavaScript is the most trustworthy programming languages. JavaScript is used by both coders and developers for the server side and the front end tasks. So JavaScript programming language offers numerous advantages, including virtual availability of enormous resources, rich interfaces, and interoperability. So JavaScript is the most emerging one. So every tech student should know the JavaScript, should learn the JavaScript. I'm also making the videos on one particular on all the particular programming languages in the later. So first, next coming to the Python, the Python one of the most popular language in the recent trend, because the Python for machine learning, AI, data science, for that purpose Python and R language is important. So Python is a new emerging technology that every tech giants are been using the this Python. You know why? The because of the having the collection of the standard libraries. Having the standard libraries, so that only the Python language has been widely using everybody in the today's generation. Next, another important one is Ruby. So coming to the Ruby, so Ruby is another widely used programming language for backend development. Ruby is known for its time efficiency. This programming language facilitates the users with a variety of coding tools to accelerate the backend development process. This programming language is quite convenient as the data types are not defined while declaring the variables. So most of the users, most of the tech, those who have been very familiar with the web development front end and want to learn the back end, so many are using the Ruby only. In the present trend, the Ruby has become like such an programming language. Everyone using the Ruby only. Next, another important and most important one is Java. Now coming to the Java. So what exactly Java? Java is an object-oriented programming. So you can see the object-oriented programming. So that only to widely using developers and also having the scalable web applications, scientific applications, and desktop applications. So another most important main advantage of the Java is like having it offers the multi-threading. So multi-threading means allows two or more threads to run simultaneously to maximize the CPU usage. So that Java also became the most popular backend language in nowadays. Next, another most important one is PHP. So PHP is an server-side development server-side scripting language. It designed specifically for development, for web development. Know that the PHP is only designed specifically for the web development purpose, and also PHP is also does not require any compiler. And what are the other important features of the PHP is like that having the cross-platform compatibility, and next, oops, then also provide support for various standard databases. For that purpose only, many of the students, those who are enrolled in the web development, are learning the web development course. For the backend purpose, they're going to learn only PHP because it's easy to learn and having the cross-platform compatibility. For that purpose only, many are using PHP only. Okay. Now, in this video, we have been discussing about 5 most emerging backend development programming languages in 2022. We have been seeing. So, coming to the first one is JavaScript, Python, Ruby, Java, and PHP. So no need to familiar with all the programming languages. The thing is like should know and should have a glance over the all the backend programming languages whenever any company requires or offers a particular position, so you are able to get the job. So I hope in this video you got some idea about the what are the backend programming languages we need to learn in the present trend, especially in the web development or especially in the development side. So I hope you like this video. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for the latest and amazing content. Thank you everyone.